Hello, that's where we be man. I'll call you back. Not disturb my video. Never walk. How na day oh, how na day. If they play, they show who is leading. Who they lead? The leader that leads. Who is not leading? The leader that leads. My people, be like say they don't they leader. Oh. Here we leader now as we speak right now, right away. How na day, my amazing people? Good afternoon. How you are doing? Wanna help me thumbs up this video, love and like, and also share me out. We love and like you. Igbina mesun Monica wato gene. Monica. Igbina mesun wato gene. See your life now. See how Beatrice now don't disgrace you. She don't they give you 1-0. Now let me just say, because now this one I just start to the count. Beatrice is leading. She don't give you 1-0. My they call her Mama B, not Beatrice. Okay, she's not my mate. Mama B now they give Monica now 1-0, sharp 1-0, sharp 1, solid 1. Monica madogo ya no we viola dia. Madogo ori. Na time not then they beat leader a leader yak be leader zanzan. Yak be leader banu. And everyone can ask Monica now say how far waiting the shop. She never start to be the weapon, I don't understand. They get the weapon si la diana. Monica, they get the weapon la diana because this one where me they see so now, this one not be small pikin play. This one not be child's play, Monica. Mama B is leading you. Leader way saying they lead people. Although till tomorrow we see they find people where you they lead. We see they find the people where you say you they lead. Like what go my people, we're going to share a video now. We are still looking for those people where you say you they lead or the leader that leads and nobody follow. Like what go mama. Which time you want to start to they break your whole record? Because very important, we need them. Mama B or what boy. My people, I want to play Mama B video for now. Where Monica do yesterday, where people where call in the party where they go. Party where they go, my people. Now no say Monica can't they lie. According to waiting me watch, now Mama B they talk the truth. So automatically, am I invited Monica Vikuni? Am I via Kenya, Agamaro, Nagmeni, you go chair lady of the day, or presenter of the day, or waka pass of the day. Agamaro, Amate Monica Vikuni. O mave sukmo Vikuni. Ha! Salo buamona share the video, make I play and make we listen. Make we listen. Runda, emini mami eve social media, agwanyi. I not come out since then because why I was having network issue. I was having network capacity. Even sometimes, most of those videos, I never feel the follow and up. But thank God, all glory be to God, I was able to sort that issue out. Now they hear me, so my people. Thanks for joining my lady. Here will be presenter. Thanks for joining. Hey. According to the situation right now, the matter reaching me right now, Beatrice, thanks for joining Mama Chelsea. I cite you. Mama B, now they talk truth. Una know say for saga of this time, these days, we talk, say we they work with evidence. Yes, we work with evidence, we speak with evidence, we believe on evidence. Now, two ladies come outside on Edo cyberspace. One are Lady Beatrice Ogbaika, while the other one are Monekia. He say, now you and Queen Rita go back to find no. Now truth. Now because I saw Monica they do me. Mark my anybody. We are doing the right thing. You understand? That's what she they do. If she see our video for us, I don't want to more analyze it. We go see before now me they see our video. If I see video where they tell they beat Monica, I will just throw away face. I will pass. But these days, Monica go see video where people tell they drag me. She go sit down. Who am I not to come they see video where they tell her the truth of her life? Me or come they pass. It's like wasting of resources. I don't want to do that kind of thing again. So my messy people, Monica with lady Mama B, they get issue. Now no say they fair be friends. So during the process, Monica can start to the oppress Beatrice. Yes, she can start to the oppress Mama B. She can begin to poke down one. She can begin they do that one anyhow. To the extent she can't even the lie for that one head. No, na the CEO. I want to expose a lot of you guys. I want to expose una eye to this matter where they grant now. To let you all know that Mama B is innocent. Now Monica na poker. Now start to find Mama B trouble. Now start to the saga Mama B. Because of Esther and Edward matter. Una know say Mama B go Africa. She go Nigeria, go enjoy herself. She no even send wetin they go on for Facebook. She know they listen to wetin we they talk for Facebook. She no even hear wetin we they do for Facebook or here in Nigeria. But Monica will be una sister. Plus Ivie will be Monica's sister also. Not let Ishan people rest. Ivie come out for the other side. For her to just talk, okay, she get message for Edward. Make she talk to Edward. Ivie start to insult all Asian people. Monica will be her sister come out. She want insult Edward. She begin to insult all Asian people. And una know say Beatrice Okpaika na Monica friend and she be well known Asian woman. Where all of us know say yes, Beatrice Okpaika na Asian woman. She know they use that tribe till they play. Please guys, more than me thumbs up and love and like. They don't they flag this video. Yeah. Now, Monica go come out. You will begin the insults Beatrice Okpaika. They insult all our commenters, all our fans, all our friends. Where be Ishan. You go begin to insult all of them with indirect. So a lot of people can't they draw Beatrice Okpaika attention to those videos where Monica they do say, ah, you and Monica they quarrel, una get issue, that one say no. Say, ah, why Monica can't they insult you? They saga you, they even they talk, all those they wanna leave me alone. I don't need people where don't old. I need vibrant people. I need people where see they see road. I need people where see they active. Why be saying that every time Monica they insult you, Beatrice? Beatrice say in Nigeria, say make nobody say her any video. Say if Monica they do video, they insult from a day. Say no be she, Monica they turtle. Say maybe Monica know a day where she they turtle, may nobody cause quarrel between them. Now Monica can't come out again, can't do video say that a day so now you are the turtle, you. Now you are the turtle, you know say now you are the turtle. Ona wari asan la jana when the Beatrice kian wagbo. Ona geleri asan le Beatrice Okpaika na ya san gboni. Ona geleri asan money. He can't even they talk and say, you know, say now you are the turtle. You by the say no be you are the turtle. Now you are the turtle. And now only Beatrice Okpaika. Now he follow and talk say, not be me the turtle. Una the yes so. Now Beatrice Okpaika the tea can see verse down and say, ah, wait till be all this one. You they find me at the run for you. You not go stay clear from me. You not go stay away from me and stay your own. That one can see do small piece of video for and say, stay your own and leave me alone. E Monica wow. Or we yes so before we know my people, Monica run come and come begin the lie say Beatrice Okpaika mama say she not the see. Okpaika no fair come and come to say Monica brother not the see o. Okpaika never fair even talk wetin happen for party where they go. Okpaika never even talk anything. Okpaika just only they talk small thing. Just they throw small thing. Okpaika never even they talk the main thing. Now Monica tears come outside come they talk say, Okpaika mama. Now so he confess your village. Now so they no portion. Now so he go working we go ask. They say nobody like that. All everything where Monica talk about Beatrice Okpaika, no evidence, my people. No evidence, no proof, no evidence. And when I know say we for this media, we they work with evidence. Now, the one where Monica accused Beatrice Okpaika, or the one where Beatrice Okpaika accused Monica, my people, about the party where they go, where me want play for una so. So the evidence is out, and Beatrice Okpaika win the award. She no lie. Yes, she no lie. Now everything where happen for that party, where she fair talk, na the woman where Monica call. Monica be called that woman. Monica be called that woman to take downgrade. Even a local Ekita know that Ekobete is like, yes, everybody knows some. Everybody knows say Monica did lie. Everybody know. Yeah, we all know. We be say me we leave her for the one where she did. Thanks for joining Mama Sylvia. So now, Beatrice Okpaika cannot lie. Okay, and may una see the way Monica tell they operate. Before Monica enter live video, she don't already go give that woman where did that party. She don't already go give that woman number to one of her inner caucus. May they call the woman, say she did live video, make the woman call in. Ask me, Beatrice not live for the woman head where do party. The woman with Beatrice not get any quarrel. Two of them not get any matter. Beatrice only talk with her eyes. She say, party where you wear a gegegu gekon. Nobody invite you. Nobody knows say you dey come. She ain't not there for you. That was what Beatrice Okpaika said about Monica. But he not talk say, no, Beatrice not talk say they not invite her. No, Beatrice not talk say they not invite her. Beatrice talk say they come the party, say the food where they give her, all her drink, everything. Now Monica with his brothers come they fight put for table. Ina do adule e Beatrice Okpaika view. Una dey hear me so. So I want play and make una listen without wasting much of una time. What damn you are see the hot.
Woman talk with a different day.
Wait, may I use my speaker? Thank God say I don't charge them.
Party woman don't come. Hello. Asabura is saying
Bluetooth mode.
Guys, love and like, okay? Mona help me love and like and share this video. Who they cry for my distance so? Avie my. Wait, make I see your face. Wait till they cry. Do my idea by my no. As I'll fit to help you. He said, and the woman no lie against Mama B. Yes, na exactly what Mama B talk. Now the woman talk. Yes, Monica. EBT said the woman. You don't know why Monica bring that woman on that platform. She be the thing say the woman go do any slight mistake to gaslight Mama B. You understand me? So now they get what they try to talk. EBT say the woman go do any mistake to gaslight Mama B. Say as a Ekobete. Which people on Bluetooth so where my district go they carry? My own way they or mommy. Now people where beside I don't even know where they did. Now you won't go connect. Guys, I dey call me me love and like and share. More plan like that. I don't know what it. Where do my connect? Not spoil this one for this party where they so.
You see, if you know that this woman say manipulate.
See, my people, my just start again afresh.
No.
All right. Mona see what the lady talk. He said somebody call her. Mona listen from the beginning. She said somebody call her. Yeah? She said somebody call her.
What is the woman talk with a different?
My will carry my water.
Okay. Party woman don't come. Hello. Asabura, I say you, my love. Everyone. Mona, let you know. Because I'm not the program because we're too busy.
He said,
so regarding the party.
The woman said, she no send invite. My right. She write a comment to me. This security say she was not officially invited.
If you know that this woman say manipulator.
Yes.
When something go happen, you go come talk to you something. That's where they have useless brain.
Una know what that woman talk just now. The woman said she dey do something where somebody call her. say she dey Monica dey online. She said she dey do something where somebody call her, say Monica dey online, make she can't talk. If I may ask, you that person wey go call that woman, say Monica dey like make she can't talk. Wait till you say make the woman can't talk. When you don't go call the woman, say Monica dey like, may come by talk. Now, not say as the woman, even the woman, now God go bless that woman. That woman is a woman of integrity. I don't know her, but she just gave my respect. The woman no even concern because of say she know Monica or she know Mama Beatrice. She talk am the way it be. Monica, so waiting different from waiting Mama B talk and waiting that woman talk. What is the difference?
Always go.
Bitches, they win you.
They will not say, okay, let me stand.
Not be here, you want for points like do something. Nobody will collect her for you.
No, they will turn out to Esa Bini.
No, nobody will turn out to Esa Bini. There is time for everything. I turn it, nobody will turn.
If you can't face me, keep quiet. I don't really know. Oh, well, who might you fetching him? What you want to my people, when I don't hear where I talk, say, this
my people, I know say Mama Beatrice do her own analysis, but let me also add my own. Monica they ask the woman say, or woman inviting me, or we may not day. If we say may we read talking, the woman not invite Monica. Yes. If we say make we read talking, the woman no invite Monica. There is difference between person where you work out jam for road. You tell and say, my sister, on Sunday na my husband party or na my husband birthday. If you feel come a bed, may you see try, may you come support us. Thank you, God bless you. You pass. And person where you go knock door for your house, say, my person or Sunday no. Ukmo, na hina. Way. A cardinal, there is a big difference now. Monica, you wear the stone with invite. They don't miss. They better tell you. That's why that woman not even let you know, say, cloth day. The woman not even let you know, say, with that cloth, there's invite. Now you go fit enter. How the woman can't invite you, Monica? A woman invite me. Use your tongue to count your teeth. You must not sit down, make they use nose, tell you, say they don't invite you. Before you know, say they don't invite you. If the woman can go around and give people wine with bag, you know the way they bubble risky, they do party, they will put bag, go see the yabojo. They will put wine, put cloth, put paper, this, what they enter, they call and what they enter, invite, They will put invites, put, sometimes if they go put glass cup for the bag, now they'll invite you. Monica, your own case. Kind, they not give you. Cola, they not give you. Bitter cola self, they not give you. Wish again, Ibagia, they not give you. Now she ask for invite, Sister Queen. Yes, even they not even give her anything. The invitation card, and she yes say without no, and she be no going in. She got to call the woman for her not to get him back. Can you imagine? Thanks for joining my person, Wala Monica. The woman not even invite Monica for the first place. Monica was not invited. Amatie Eva. You understand? Based on she want come Pepe presenter, she want come let us know say, you know say when they talk and say, oh my like woman there during the Esther saga time. She won't use her test and say she don't they go party now. Make Esther believe in her. A party give her lele here. Nay make her she go do that over Sabigo party where they not invite her. A party ni na they bear. And people not be smart happen for that party. No be smart, mona just patient and listen. Make una listen to her Monica, one live video presenter, where he call himself Yotiku, the leader that lead nobody. I should take go disgrace us when we presenter for party. Even me as a sumo so before me they go person party, I must get my own table. They go decorate her with my name go day. My name go there, VIP queen go there there. If not, you no go see me for your party. E day. My name must dey there. You must do. My table must different. I know they sit down with crowd. I know they sit. I dey go party where all this equality. I dey go. But my name, why I know they do video? They say I be live video presenter. If they permit me to say okay, if the person wants make party go viral, make everybody see her, then I can switch on my video. But if she be person will be say no, she not be media type of person, as of just lock up. But before me they go party, my chair dey there. Who they decorate party, they must let her know say so person like this they come. La wo agare giaro dao mwe yo bona and yo not tota kene na so. All the party where Quirita don't go, you know they see where Quirita they sit down. Now front. Monica, it is your turn. You go party. You go there. Things many. As they take thief, Mama B meat put for inside pocket. I will tell you everything. Now step by step, una go hear everything. So the woman no invite her. All right, that is why she was not informed. Nobody tell her they enter. Nobody tell her back clothes. Nothing, because they no invite her.
They no invite her. Good morning, sweetheart. Una don't hear when I talk and say, "Iya ma invite Kobete."
Umata my lady.
You not talk video. You not wa moge pare.
See, don't they laugh for
Una
beauty
wa
said.
moge by me. We me where am I inviting? Ogi too.
If you call yourself celebrity, then we'll come invite you. They'll go especially with drink and drink. Yes.
Come and congratulations, I will tell her. But if you can lie, just a little.
You go see go spray.
This thing now, you don't lie.
Monica, you don't your man.
So I will tell Billy say that house now, that house way be like Paliso. When they divide with the chopping board.
He said Paliso.
This woman know what I can do. I don't go.
You see? Oh, here, buegbene. Una they get me. This case now don't judge itself. Una hear what the woman talk say. She not sure say Mama Okpaika will fit talk that thing. And a truth. Okpaika not really talk that kind of thing. Okpaika not really talk that thing. E Monica te wa vaigbe baogi. You dey see her? To show say for that woman to even talk say Okpaika ti te gbe very honey, meaning she knows say Monica na liar. Yes, let's tell ourselves the truth. For that woman to feel deny for Mama Okpaika, even when she did Monica platform, to let Monica know say no, Okpaika cannot say this. The woman already know that Monica is a liar. She know that Monica arranged that lies. Or she don't know why we type away Monica way Okpaika ti take video because she know Okpaika. No be today they know Okpaika. Okpaika, this one show say she dey behave well for her city, for that UK. She get good name. Yes. If the woman can feel know Okpaika to that extent to know say ti take video honey. Who go come help Monica talk now say Monica na truth Monica they talk. We be say who even get case don't talk and say Okpaika cannot say such. Monica, I do tadi an we mata we gitava no regbo ayegbe ma. Okay.
I don't gossip.
Party wana deserve your do me over.
Okay. You hear the woman say, I'm not sure say Mama Big will fit talk that kind of thing. Abi, do you think the woman too not they watch my videos? He watch. He do. He not say I never say that thing on live video. You just carry the lie. If you maybe they don't still give you information like if you want to consider the woman, consider her now. That's what they know you for. No party you go when you know the consider the owner.
You see, this is when Monica can't see what the woman they talk. She be one turn the woman brain. You understand? she be one turn the woman brain. She can't dey tell the woman say, when she comes to say the woman, they always they praise Mama B. Now she can't dey chat say, Iba imagina or Iba imagina yanga fear the video to alert the woman say she dey online, and the woman already know say she dey online because the woman from the beginning, if you listen to the beginning of this video, the woman thought say she be they do something where somebody call her say she dey live. That's why she called in. That was what the first statement that lady made. You understand? Now Monica is trying to convince the woman, make she know what she dey talk, make presenters no use the woman word to drag Monica. Meaning, if to say Monica no even remind the woman say we are online, maybe the woman for talk her Monica brother stative mates. Maybe the woman for talk and Monica brothers they still meet, but still the woman still talk everything. The woman still, even when Monica they say Iba, the woman lock off, the woman talk everything.
If I imagine I know I told you, if I imagine you have seen the video, okay, do you want the woman to lie?
You see? Monica, why are you pained? Inyaga fi a video ladian, and so what? And so what? Even the woman knows say you did that video because anyway you go, you roll that video. Now the woman could say, okay, we roll that video. The woman know already. Monica, who me bipolar disorder? Are you crazy? Monica, it's a hope we were her. I be you the Chris. The beginning of this video, not be that woman thought say she they do something, say, but somebody call her when me they talk, just now say, now you say your fans may go call that woman, make she can call enter your live video. The woman call in your snake, just say they do something, says, but somebody call her, say you dey lie, say, see what they go on. Call they say what they go on. Say, see as smart at the apple. Not be the woman start to they explain, when you come they begin, they break the woman down, say, you real live video, oh, me, Monica. The woman tell you say no. Say you dey lie. Yes, so everything Mama B is saying about Monica is the truth. It may why go to tear results. Because now waiting, this one now evidence. Now we tell you, if you like you talk, may your mouth long from here to Asaba. We need evidence. We need evidence, and this one is a solid evidence. Monica tried to convince the lady, Iba imagina. Because the woman don't know before she call you. Because not be you tell somebody, make they call the woman before you don't enter live video. You they do like said now let you they do presenter work. We know this job, Monica. If matter they grand like this, we know. If we want somebody to call into our platform, we don't fair arrange for done. Not be say caller is different, especially when it gets to do it. They say you say we can't say so. Atiema ni involve your turn and see where Remi no sunu or maybe the person go explain to you. So okay, e wala mudiani live video no make na time e ma ya tie we be live video. Now you dey phone they tell you say you dey live because the woman no know. No, the woman not they wash you. Monica.
Okay, mom, send a message when I will party over that for me. And I will invite you on a okay. So really
my people, now the woman they explain now wetin happen say now she invites Monica, say her husband want do party. Say whether Monica go come, Monica can say yes, say she go come. Meanwhile, they no even to the talk, and I wish I said this woman with Monica they talk well self. Because first of all, the woman know that Ashwebi was involved. But on Monday, Monica do there. Maybe the woman don't want to talk that part. I know say she go tell Monica we ain't go niya there. Ain't go fake life or live my kind. Or maybe or I go le fancy no way there no mommy. You understand? All brothers now. Imagine party where you know buy one single Ashwebi. You pack all your generation. 5 people. Now you pack go. That 5 people now, they eat 5 takeaway of rice, 5 padayam, 5 bottle of drink, 5 anything, or if na red one they give una, if na bucket they share, there 5 people they carry. Una go, now so they take the see person for party. Who call una for all those kind of party? Now una they go party, una go person party finish, the person go short. How you say me who do party take gain when you and your family you can chop 5 takeaway of rice? When the lama can say when a jena, una come pack turkey, lama, goat meat, una load down for belle, una shop all of them. If one single cloth of ashebi to say okay, the gain for this ashebi, now the person take feed the food one chop, or she take cover the food one chop. Wama dukmo, wama dekara. Evil gift una not back for the celebrant. Wana waruan rekun, wana viekwe yao, wana ariku. Awenu dogo evetion yo be verbalize. So take the tea ko ivu verse Beatrice ya. Me we ba ashwebi we be say this way they give me as ashwebi. Me never test rice. No, I don't finish all the rice for table. Okay, me that one carry water me drink na for where. Ete Monica ya vio aga me le table ya vie ya e bezwe ya yeku ya. Ya vego igo ya mafi. Ashwebi they no buy. Who not go verse for that kind of thing? If na me, I go verse. Not till anybody won't tell me. If na me, I go verse. Because na me the event. Na me be the guest. Na me get everything where they table. Una go patient. The one when I go use and give una say take, you take. The one when I not give you, don't touch. They no invite una. When I invite, you want come overshadow who they invite to a bash with big clothes. Monica Nana no say you no really get shape. They really call your name for different things. And shower, this one or that one oh. This one or that one oh. I don't know, say you say go, you greedy like this, so they go they follow the real person where they invite, they drag our own food. You shop that one food finish now. You can't live video. You can't they make. Now you breed the matter even come. Now you breed the matter come. At the end, now you the matter for press. I agbina ye red rice. Monica vetu wana ya agbina ye red rice. Mabuwa. If I do party, I don't need people like you. I might invite you. I might you monwe. Where you say, "Wona have you take away?" No say, "It's him." Mona listen. He said, "This analysis will still pay her today. May pay her. She not the analyze my video. You know, be a See you. Now, when hear what that woman talk for them, the woman now they explain to Monica say, Monica later after the woman invite Monica for party, Monica later called the woman to say, I hear say this your party is strictly by invite. Now the woman can say yes. Automatically, for that woman to say yes, the woman already tell Monica things were involved. Like, if you buy the ashebi, you have access to the clothes, to the party. Or if you you must do something where you go get access to the clothes. Are you people hearing me? Or to the card to take enter. Monica no buy. She no so. Her brothers no so. The 5 of them, they no so. They no buy anything. They just waka pio. They just go party. Una go hear the way they take it your smart.
So no problem. But at the end, all you will take the woman as surprise. You understand?
That but where the woman talk. That but where the woman talk. You don't know where that woman put but. Let me tell you guys, say, the woman thought, say, after they don't make arrangement, say she go come the party. She tell the woman, say she go come the party. The woman say, but Monica can't do and say, she want come catch the woman on her way. She don't want to make the woman know, say she go come and all those things. Make I tell you now, not be say Monica do for surprise, no. The reason why the woman talk like this, because after the woman don't tell Monica waiting involved for the party, how to take enter, how to take buy tickets. If you buy clothes, you get the access to the party. You understand? So, as Monica not come turn up, she not come ask about clothes again. She not come ask her she fit see card where she want to enter, the invitation card. She not come ask about anything again about the party. You get. So even the woman confess say she not go come again. That is the truth. Even the woman no confess say she no go come again. Thanks for joining my lady Betty. Please guys, Mona help me thumbs up this video. Una they get me. So the woman said don't remove mind say Monica they come because why? She no buy Ashwebi. She no buy anything. She no even ask the woman say una get anywhere where I fit change money to spray for there. She no ask. And the woman said don't move on. The party is already sold out. People will get money, will feed the shop better food, don't buy the clothes, buy everything finish. If you not by me say Monica or Bo. Nobody even say Monica even they come DSF. Shockingly for the woman where they do party, to see say Monica hide for back of motor with 5 people. Monica hide for back of motor with 5 people. Ni viera bag, you work boni do ya viri. Na itana my people, e ban sama kwe no la wiku. Hey! Ajama. Bansa no gree. Me Monica enter party with 5 people where she park. Now, they don't park more to one place. Come begin stand this side son. They wear cocoa shoe, they parabolate. They find one enter party where they want follow it back, enter who card. To take enter where they go follow it back, enter party. Monica. My lady say queen because small. No, not truth oh. Not truth. Because who they do party day inside? Monica don't stand outside almost 40 minutes. Coco should not begin to drop and down for her leg. She don't sweat. A sweat it be Coco should wane. Eko no eko ye bebebe. Ave gedo we ya na yak bale kok baloni sangbale ya. E ya ri compresse Monica. Ye me ya briti se avete natana oruwove. 3 people. Lady Beatrice of Baika. Only VIP. Ave si blow enine. Those ones don't they listen to music. Monica na my vet. On the other side. Kinye ke 5 people no view 5 brothers. Iyan riba yana wove. Una de yes so. Make una listen to how they can fit. Say finally. Let her enter inside. After enough, I beg. Wait.
Okay, mom, send a message to you. And I will party over that for me. And I will invite you. Okay. So, really, I'll be sending.
Well, I don't know.
No problem. But at the end, I will tell the woman a surprise. You understand? Enter your leave the party in the morning, not to see it. When I will, I'm come away with simply by invite. I like continue. This is the man who do a revive in a way, Matano.
Why he not get that invitation card? Una hear and say he go call the owner of the party say they say na card na they enter. Yes, because when you buy a shebi, the card go dey inside the clothes. Because you didn't buy the clothes. You understand what I mean? You didn't buy the clothes. That's why they didn't give you invitation. They give it now when you come call, they can't write your name, give security for gates.
Yeah, many way you talk. Not many way you talk. Not saying they give security no even. When so person
with this one, I be no say he not get invitation card. I be no una hear from my mouth.
Now they see.
And then they say now the amount they go take cost Kenya here. You there? He lied too much now.
You understand? Which I did, and that's why they didn't give
I'm not here there. Well,
they give it now. When you come call, they can't write your name, give security for gates.
oh.
when you talk, even when you try not send them give security, no even.
My people now they here. The leader that leads, nobody follow. Una they here. Now the woman they talk now say, not be destiny they wash me so. Not be destiny they see so when they wash me. Yo salo boy, pa destiny why we wash saga. He does set. He does set to Akasha. So my messy people. So now money cannot buy clothes. Money cannot spend shishi kobo. Or Makwewe say she not saw new clothes. Oh. Monica when no say she dey go party, she no saw new clothes. She don't already put on for mind say clothes where she forget, lace where she forget before. Now she won't be a go. She don't already get that one for mind before. Okay. Now she can't reach there after 40 to 50, 60 minutes outside. Now this same lady Beatrice Ogbaika, so where she the saga so. Now lady Beatrice Ogbaika, now I can't notice if it be say she be one go peace. Now she tells her and say, these people where me they see under the sun so. This person is about Monica, and I be not be Monica be this. Thanks for joining my lady if you know what. Because I be not be Monica be this. Monica not plan this saga way. Now she the plan saga, be na saga they plan her. Na ijena. Now she the plan saga, be na saga they plan her. E saga na plan Monica. Inye de fiok bekete. Now they get me so. So after so many hours under the rain, under the sun, Lady Beatrice Ogbaika go finally see her. Say, Eko bete na here, eko betere. Now she conte run. Go knock who they do party say. Now right they would write and give security. Yes now. Now she if to say they even quit write the name give security, maybe she for not the outside. If to say maybe the woman write her name give security before the party, she for not the outside though. Now after lady Mama B don't run go tell the celebrant say Monica dey outside with her 5 brothers so they dey say son iyan go venva. Now they hear me so. Now the woman come quit her as wetin be her name that time. Ato ade dokpolo nene wi dokpolo osaso dokpolo no do rize dokpolo nene wi dokpolo eri agbene niyan ni Monica we ni eti won where they come run take go give even the celebrant no even shame she no even come aside. When she's supposed to even come hug Monica, say, tell me, thanks for coming. And Monica made me thanks for coming. She no see one thanks for coming. Even the celebrant refused to go greet Monica. She now had to say Mama B, where she recognized, say, la wo, ni yana kumedi, ni yana vegeti, ni yana kwe, ni yana lawa. Unu yaki, or we fight. Una go ye just now, the way they take beg people for chair, make they come up for chair, make Monica sit down. Age Monica mari aroto. Age chinwe maroto. Izi yamare kula. Oge biye yamaru we fridge. Nothing concern Monica for that party. Go even reach ketchup. They not keep wait Monica. They not send a message. Nobody need them for there. Iyangi se tebonya. Iyana ajakonya. Ge Beatrice Ogbaika. Who no go verse or that kind of thing. If na you, they go do you. If na you, they go do you. Who no go verse or that kind of thing. None of ati.
With this one, I be no say.
You see? The woman now had to tell the security, say, so person like this with people where follow her, allow them to come inside. Na hana, e koko shukwore, okoyo kwore, wowe Monica. E koko shu, okoyo kwore, wowe Monica. E gedo we ya, e gedo agie, even e hone. He said, so na, they watch me. Una they get me. E gedo a compresse e boa. E nyo gireva koko shubale wowe. E gani nojo no to ya shosho by presentasi. E gani si ego bona yen si e gan go bona. Na hana inya YMT e kunya kinye ketunwe. Inya de parti na mana tinya ya dizere. Monica the red rice woman. Inya de parti na mana tinya ya dizere. The woman now had to issue out a note to say, "E Monica be manile de reyan ribai ki e huni alawa." Allow them to come inside. Or 4 years in kwa when Monica. Even normal people will not be presenter. All of them don't dey inside there. Sit down, self they enjoy. Ni zolakon. Monica na other side. On ave Quirita. So. Quirita ma yi kude no gbe 5 seconds si bibaye. Except a parti ni ma soin. Except a parti ni ma soin. When a Quirita e de parti presenter si seje. Even normal people party or even all parties. Quirita ma mu dia bibaye there 2 seconds. So boy ge ma invite me party. Inya do ye ki owo ma mama ya semi ayu wo vin. Inya do ka me security no ku ime ibaye. Inya tie mere nya me ku ime ibaye. Baba la ge ma invite me gbe party ni la o. Oni emi ni awe Monica. Inya tie, inya na ku ye ibaye. Already Monica vie ti oni agba ya rize. Ni gbe kavasi. Yen na vie koko shu yo we. Adie di baya ya adia. Ari mi security we ki e ku niyan. Iyan isan wo hin. Viyan la pa. O bo security ya ke Monica hun, ke ti ohun. Obo e security ya biyan lawa. Obo ayo boss swanya going because am I even recognizing ya? Oba ya swanya lawa go inside wama dugmo. Yan je no say security no dey like that kind thing. Obo ya biyan lawa. Ai wa be your boy security your boy biyan lawa ni ona biyan ge biti so gbaika. Obi ere de tebo re o ko go re. Ave if you go party no those things so they dey serve. All those small buns, all those meat pie. All those assorted meat. Ebiti so beka ekenubera na kofi loga yunuwa eko ya igia yi nwani ya pe ana your boy your boy bie Monica bie tiun ana do bi ba ni be. Veva. Mona listen for that. O idoze nani almighty we la ekwe ma gedo to ninya we no hiya e. Ekwe na ye gu ya mwe pisha we she's under your she's ayo bob be well like who. If I were married, kuni, and you were married, your table share, your chair no day. Go hana we go ready for that bona amwe pisho. Monica no ma we have a bay. O hana go ready for that bay when I amwe pisho. Or I may a bay na asmuda me ku make a bella we patini. Illa motorway drive ba. Runda, are you know what does say? Emioja, awe, enya we kuni Monica. I will tell you the truth. Wait is sag, and I sag mabe my tia bonoisi. Imatia bonoisi. I'm telling you the fact where iyama onia guys they no eat gay edowe are you know what does say emioja awe first they not give us a big cloth, second they not give you card to enter, third your chair no dey the party, fourth food your own no dey, fifth your drink no dey. Monica, use your teeth. Use your tongue, count your teeth. Use your tongue, count your teeth. Not be to call every day. Yeah. First party where you go, so now you just see this kind one. So first party for the past 10 years on those cyberspace. First party where you go, so now they lock you outside. And the live video, this is not presenter be your problem. Not presenter. Unuweni ne boroni or boy here. Presenters are a problem way. Presenters in the way feel almost every week. We are booty. Well, where they jealous me. When I will buy the cook, I jealous.
Which I did, and so they no give her
official event. Yes, ma'am. You dey see her? The woman said before Monica come, all the whole don't fool. all the space don't full. Ema ya ni daga totally la kinyani. Ana igagwa le kenari Monica fi. Hi. Ana igagwa le kenafi Monica fuwaji no mino tota. Na kana ibata ya tombo we. Any idea? No, be say this like this my small this thing away dey my table. This is so one of the see my people. You see this small thing. Sometimes they'll write them. They'll put them for table. They'll put them for center of table. They'll write the name of people where go occupy that table. They'll write and put. They don't even keep anything like that for Monica. E Monica iga gwale eke no ri oni santo tayi.
You know what I said?
My people, Mona de Lisia they come. Hey, final.
Everybody get their own table. Everybody have their own table. They will write your name for table.
You know the guy, and then when you are like, you took on the stage. You better wear Wamutia, Mama Miaka. I came down from the stage. Enough that Mama Baika was trying to help as well. Because
you see, he will not see a Monica, he will not see a boo. As a new way, Yafe, oh, here we me. What a fun. We will not see a boo.
America was on a so I left. So everything was fine. They said and after that, I called them and said, thank you. I don't know why my issue is coming up. You see?
Not be you see. You are the one who is bringing the woman leg. Good morning, sweetheart. You are the one who is bringing this woman's leg. Okay?
Yeah,
okay. Now party happen. Now you carry party matter. Come say, I go lie. Because you don't want to go a party. I know your tricks. Because you don't have visa to go.
Guys, I'm back.
Okay.
Where are we? So let me take it back. He said, wow, so you mean, he said, they know that, I go better name for inside. Somebody say, wow, so you mean a leader that lead was never invited to the party? For where? Who invite her? Nobody invite her. Say, I go better go consaga her soon, cause she no lie for Mama B head. You understand? Make it consaga her now. Already the saga is celebrant. Ayegbe manu. Ayegbe man. Now she be. You understand? Who has saga help these days, Papa? So make you listen, my people.
Which was around about to 8 in the evening. So now where are the right someone why you not my yes. So in my lawa, even though where the royal have morning, even before 4. The morning next morning.
Is it not what I said? You know where already
they will go and organize the emergency party for a very soon.
Everybody
so
have their own table.
Remove
they will
the
write
shame.
Your name for table.
Shame na shame. You not go let them remove. You dey here? They Mama B say that place everybody gets their table. It was a well-organized party. You'll be like 1 man, 1 vote. 1 man, 1 vote. So automatically the party is all about 1 man, 1 vote. Now they get me. It's all about 1 man, 1 vote. 1 cloth, 1 chair. That was how it is. Una no say na big party, na so big party they be. Na so big party they be. Na so they say big party. Not be party they say everybody just no. They say before Monica come, chair don't full. People don't even that is everything don't full. Her chair was not among. Her brother's chair was not among. Nobody invite herself back. Now they get me. Why are they talk? I don't say normal. Sometimes it dey happen. Sometimes people do go to party. At the end, maybe before you go see chair sit down, it go hard. Yes, I understand. That one are normal people. Yes, as a normal person, it do happen. But not as a presenter. As a presenter, if only you want to go party, millions of your followers are going with you. Even if say maybe they're not present there, maybe you go online, they go see that party. In short, that party go viral. The whole world go know now say you, yes, you do party. Your party not go be party where you hide or party where people no come. Now they get me. So that is why it is very compulsory for a presenter, before you come up for us say they go party, make sure that party is organized. Especially when we say you not be their MC, you not be their musician, you not be their comedian, you know they work, they are just going, they invite you to come flex. You have to get your own seat. The money when you want spray, you will use your brain, let your money work according to your quality. As Monica B, he said na be yotiku, the leader that lead nobody. She's supposed to even draw Ghana must go follow body or draw small luggage of money where she want to spray for that party. She's supposed to draw luggage, follow grant where she go take spray for that party. So according to how she go take ready, her own chair, everything supposed to still ready, they wait her. But in this case, nothing of such. I repeat, nothing of such. She ended up with no chair, no place to stay, no food. Make a player. Kuna manati yawa.
I came down from the stage. Enough was trying to help as well.
Okay.
You see,
She says always collecting and not giving. Yes. You can't enter without invite. Yes. Somebody just joined the video, my people. Frank. He said, Queen, my lovely sister, when are you going to get married? Yes. You know why I go answer you responsibly. Because your comment, you also comment and responsible. So I know if it also because you ask me questions, saying a bad thing, you ask me. So you say when I go get married. No, Mona not put that when we read that on a good question she asked. Very soon. Okay? Frank, I don't answer you. Very soon. I will be getting married very soon. Like very, very soon. I will tell you now, say tomorrow. I will tell you, say today. I will tell you, say next week. I will tell you, say next year. You supposed to know, say, I be the type of person who say, if I want to do marriage, I not go invite you. Where your comment sooner. You not go even know, say, I don't do marriage. You not even know whether I the husband house. You not go feel know whether I be single. You not go even feel know whether I short. You are the least of person to even notice about me. Except the one when I won't tell you. You understand? So for the marriage, very soon. The very soon, if it be 40 years time. If it be next 10 years. If it be 2 weeks time. If it be tomorrow. So use your tongue, count your teeth. You understand? So not be bad question. I don't feel short you say a bad question. No, a good question, a good thing. Man, no, if you go do saga, forget say I go really marry, a good thing. So I don't answer you. You see? According to what this lady they talk now, she said, the celebrant not go meet Monica. The celebrant no even see Monica for eye. Now, Lady Beatrice Ogbaika go tell the woman, say, Monica don't come o. Sweat full her body. Not be small suffer, the day assassins. She not see she sit down. She not see chair sit down. Now they get me, so she not see chair sit down. She not see anything. Now the celebrant now come beg Mama B, say, please help me take care of them. Give them chair, make them sit down. Give them your food, make them chop. Since na Mama B invites them. Meanwhile, you see use there is this celebrant, the male woman go honor ihe Monica, the Mama B. Now what's it really happen? She lose guard Monica give Mama B, say, Mama B, you take care of them. That was why the woman refused to go and see Monica face to face. Let's take it back to Lady Precious Meg party where she do for Germany. You see how Lady Precious Meg, they hug Queen Ritoto, they dance with Investor, they dance with people. They see them face to face, hug to hug. But in the case of Monica, Mama B was sent to go and represent the celebrants. The celebrants refused to see Monica. First of all, celebrant lock her for outside. Ona the CEO. Secondly, celebrants abandon her, give Mama B. After Mama B don't suffer, go borrow chair, find people chair, beg, give her with a red rice squad. Made the sit down. Now, they sit down, finish now. They begin put their finger, follow food where they table. Who they drag rice, they drag rice. Who they pack turkey, they pack turkey. Who if they put lamb inside pocket, they put lamb inside pocket. Now what did they do, Mama B, be that? Go reach the gift where they give Mama B, tell Monica mu. Monica, if now you not go verse. You go verse. I know you. If now you, it doesn't like you do that kind of thing for Mama B. You for don't even call you and do topic tete. That day when I come for that marriage, so I've been a party. The next day, you go use and do topic, say, it is very bad to go to a party uninvited. You go begin use and do topic. That is your type of person. People go feel say, a lot of people, thanks for joining a better inside the caravan. Everybody go feel now, say people they talk about Monica. People not like Monica. Now Monica not like people. Now Monica they pursue people where not pursue her. Imagine me now before. Now not say me I know they talk to her before. But she bent on analyzing my video. They insult me. They look for my trouble. Every time. I not doing anything. You say I'm a goddaughter to Quirita. And so, if I dey do some video, you don't like it, carry your eye face where you face. There's a look at the kebe. Face where you face. You understand? With all the senior colleague, all those BB presenter, when Monica don't use, they do enemy finish. He can't drive around, he can't come the children's session. And this children's session, now maybe the secretary of this children's session for this live video. If you don't know, go and ask. My FBI, no remember, my secretary, my baby. I call we no social media na me. For the children's session. Ori zozo for the adult session. Now she comes to children's session. That's okay. Since she don't work out, we know mama, hang away, man. Waiting she no expect, now she go they collect here for this children's session. Now with that time, say, anytime she do video, saga us, we go come swear for her back. Anna signing. So since that day, look around. All small live video presenter they beat Monica. All, you know, get one way she go feel beat. All the small. I'm not talking about the age, oh. I'm just talking the newcomer, the small one where we say we'll never see too old like that. All of us, nobody where Monica feel beat here now. The one Monica, who never beat, okay, tell me, who never saga Monica for all the small presenters. Both the ones who later can go the supporter, who never felt beat her, all of them don't beat her. Because why? She's a problem to everybody. How can one person just sit down and say, all of them, nah, she want the do pity party game they form, and they give where they felt bad for me. And I know, say, when I buy me Vela, he paid them. So the one when I go buy again now. Monica, you are deceiving yourself. You are a liar. You are a liar. This is your tune where you say they collect money from people, from whether you even get fast. Now, so you say they collect money from them. Just tell them, say, the gbese where you they pay, mortgage where they your neck. Now you won't pay. You they pay, you they UK, you they pay gbese to Netherlands. Now, you they pay to UK, gbese. You go pay gbese for motor, you go pay gbese for us. I know say before, I wish say Facebook see be as be before you forfeit the pay. And you forfeit the pay. When my care running a more we now you say can you la you or go see the life for people head. They use and make money. But this time around, things don't change, darling. Facebook don't pay. Facebook not they pay again. They not they pay, they pay shishi, kobo. It not reach you to pay all your gbese. To the extent, if person will tell me say Monica now go there. They said the new job where she they work now. She they go they tie a day. She they go they change a day purpose. They go they throw away their shit. Where the shit for poor and piece where the piece of poor. Now be work where Monica they work now. Monica just they drive that day now. He said now 32 a day they pack their shit to where they change their post. Their ecoba where they piece put. I just they look and say, God. Monica, you have been in Europe for almost 40 years. No, 30 something, a bit 25 years. Let me know you're like 25 years. All your days for Europe, you know even learn one work. They see occupation. You know learn one work. You know learn anything. Thanks for joining my lady. Keeping up with Prenat. Thanks for joining my lady. Lady Precious Meg. Monica. I don't want to send you. I don't know because the thing is becoming so alarming. Agbe Monica may get as it be. E Monica iwa ho. The job she wants condemned. Yes, so. E Monica ge Pakistan le lowa. Isame dede or review ekwa. You know, say those kind of people they get who they wear the pass for money. They get who they wear for afternoon. They get who they wear for night. So Monica on an afternoon session. E 12 I watu Monica wa vikoba iwi moto. Owa visa here. Ah, scheiße. Monica ga ora ya obegi sere. Dai she go de look shit ya si shit. Ora yo bogi son ra vio leli. Ora lo de leli moto wa vio. O mogo na mufi moto, mogo no pa mufi moto. E dia wo ya la we kenye ya don pay you we don pi site. O ya don pay you wa. O be wo ke nani. O zege yo bo kinye kisano wi ale lo zege vini make up ya o do la video. Monica mwe na nwe. Monica who you dey run race with? After how many years your mates son a ketra, son na daughter, son na even the lady people emayan we ga dele was say you can't they sleep where those people they build their life, they build their future. Una mu be nata manota say unu otia obo una mu pe una mu ya una where you don't have here upe we no ya fun wa negbu adie di na nia upo ya kwa negbu wi son na fun iwu uwi san we na fun uge yiko ba lesson yo lesson re wa wi san igba we e Romeo and Juliet e de gboma ya omi san. Man, somebody say, Queen, that job not bad now. Yes, that job is not bad for people where know the value. For people where know the worth of that job. Yes, now people they do the job. Everyone Pakistan. Now big motor, even about the patch it, it's normal. But not before a personality of Monica. Monica go let you know, say you where you they cook, they say, you will be say, all your house they send so food. She go say, why you doing when I you hi? We not money here hi. If I need it, I let them hi. Not knowing that last now Monica and shit go they rub mind. Monica now is not the only one live video presenter where they follow shit, they sleep and wake up inside shit. Ay man, this one touch me. Why you say na all the obabati where they apple for life, now Monica they achieve. Or jiku anak ye buy. Job na pa where people see they get. Even Abbott, they that UK. Abbott is now rolling with the police. Agency, na be social security, be agency. Get what you call them? All those our side na vigilance, we they call them environment police. Na Abbott they do for UK where Monica don't dey for how many years? Who's the Abbott go UK? Ambrose Noro. They say if be soldier. They say Ambrose go soldier school. My people. If na Ambrose go soldier school, now it be like that. I beg. Since one na tell they see soldier for all this world, even this life, all over the country. Una don't ever see soldier where they say if you put on for scale, no way past 30 kg. Una never see that kind of soldier before. Soldier where they say if you put on for scale. Let's bring scale put for here, and I'm gonna put scale for here. May Ambrose sample. Ambrose no fit weigh past 30 kg. Una never see that kind of soldier before. They say na soldier he be. Na so if a day man in war. Na so if a go one war. At the end, only thing we achieve, Jah Rastafari. Jah Rastafari. Jah Rasta neneni. Ambrose Unamwe low cut. He dress fine. Enter follow soldiers go bush. For all those picture where snap, that on those man war picture where snap. He dress well, follow soldier go bush. Na tiri bab wire take carry come outside. Tiri dread, na those soldier. Ama mi ni ye Ambrose Egbenia. DJ Shonya ziene o. E ranya ge gbe yo ho. E ran de gbe sato. We don't know what happened to Ambrose today. Tiri seed of dread. Then follow Ambrose come out for bush. A tiri dread of your in the soldier work. Tiri dread. Now he break on. Neither one achieve. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining Joy. Nah shit. He wife can be ambassador now of cheat. The only one presenter where they pack shit. Ha! Monica God, he punish you, sha. Salobo wa settle down, punish you way. Oh, Salobo wa settle down, disgrace you way. Oh, Salobo wa get a tell no way a disgrace. Oh, no waiting you disgrace he can wear. Oh, Salobo wa tell we are disgrace in you ho. Ah, wajena. Ah, wajena. Monica for no they let us hear. I wish your husband succeedingly become a soldier. All of us don't enter us now. Hey, Monica, work a mother for me. Oh, we want not anyway push that one to another one. They go based on only or you walk going and one. If you just tell that one, say, oh yeah, tell your military people to come and arrest all the presenters. He and Ovi my yak by my people. Oh, Salobo can bless him. Ambrose wig below cut laha on a tiri dread yaladia. I need your boy, your body, and you're going so can't tell away. I'm a 50-something years old. Can you look like this? 50-something years old. That you the way you scale. Who gave away 30? Who gave away 30 kg? I be 30 kilo. What do you call her? Is it not 30 kilo or kg? I'm correct. Am I right? Abi? I gave away 30. Or that for Monica. Where I been at here? Monica no ra one more face it. Oh, give me money is a war. Abi sanin where you have your Monica where you have face. Abi son ya we face. I wear ye wa mama na oji ya ge Monica ya ge oji. No, I'm just see all raga we pan we ya wolo na episto wolo we. Awe mabu hu. Iye Monica. Awi ya vi san gba mu yo murena. 25 years. Okay, schedule okay. 25 years for abroad. E bon we ye jiku aku you we ya side. Una lay e bimoto ne ma make na bege Monica rasa una lay. You go shocking. Easy amamunu. Nekwemu Obalisan. Now you not come be Obalisan. We going make they call you Obalisan. Your new name is Obalisan. One right down. Obalisan can get you well. More do ale we do Monica. Uzuo. Obalisan. Where my book? The mouth. Ah, what boy your new name be that? Obalisan. Na shit you the park. So you be Obalisan. Until baby. Oh. Okay. OBALISAN. Obalisan. And your name be that. Anyway, you do when I tell no. Monica. Obalisan. It's on Ubalo. No wonder they lock you for party for outside. No wonder they lock you because it's an you must have gathered one more time. You know the sit time for yourself. Shit must be smell follow you. Obalisa no mama. The woman says she still sit down for stage. You understand? Little allied party. No official. No, nobody invite her, my lady. Una they understand what they try to tell una so. She can't go spray the celebrant for stage, which is Monica. Can't go spray. Celebrant don't know whether he go drink water. Celebrant don't know whether she go eat. Celebrant don't know whether. Thanks for joining, my lady. Good afternoon. Rita the best analyzer. Thanks for joining. If you're to the swelling, thanks for joining. When I may share this video, my people, please help me to love and like and share. Monica Obalisa, see your life. Now you, so as you can't notice, the celebrant no notice you. You were not forced to go spray her money for where she sit down. How much you spray? I know say you know if you spray past 40 euro or 50 euro, you know if you pass like that. Who made it spray be like 50 euro? But the rice, the food, everything when you and your brother shop for there is more than 1,000 euro. Even back by the chair, one and sit down. Person way back, way gas should be, way back lot. I got where you are going to and you see come out, no go repent.
Not you see, you are the one who is bringing the woman leg. Good morning, sweetheart. You are the one who is bringing this woman's leg. Okay? Okay. Now party happen. Now you carry party matter. Come say, I go lie. Because you don't want to go, I may have a party. I know your tricks. Because you don't have visa to go. She'll not go let you talk.
Who want to have visa?
When they hear me so, is it not what I said? I said when it come, everywhere feed up. What I do, it come out for there.
Guys, please, Mona share. But share not this video, but share one now.
Before this woman sit down for stage.
Oh, this is my network, sweet.
You understand?
Network
when they do party, no one see I take look after you now. It's busy. Okay, me now, when it come carry you near my body, now me can't do wrong. I for leave you for the month, they make you stand there.
Mama B, beg now you they talk with me one here. Why you know Sophie you started living for us? When me Monica down on Mama B, you know say Monica na bad dead. What's your Monica style? You do like say you know see her. You do like say you know say she don't come. Now only you the thanks for joining my lady Obama, thanks for joining my lady. Now only you they use good mind till they follow this Monica. Monica don't like you. Monica don't like any S&P person. Any S&P where see they follow Monica, you are your own. If you be S&P, you see they support Monica, you are your own. Monica don't like you. The day you go get small, even small issue where you no reach anything, or Balisa Monica, she go turn against you. She go, now that time she go tell no say Shan with Benin, so that they get issue. It's S&P, but do will be the same. Even though with the quartet and tongue self, they get issue sometimes. If they say drag themselves, they'll still leave themselves. It's Benin people, many way marry Asian people. Asian people, many way marry. Even the so-called Monica, now where they find snake, they go for Asian kingdom. Now Asian marry for us. Now Asian, she marry for us. This Monica, where we just they talk so now. Then I go that Asian people and snake, if Asian snake, Asian snake. Now Asian, she born for. She not see real human being where she go born for. She not see people where not be snake where she go born for. Now that snake, if you wait not be legit today. Oh yes, Sunny ye mukia. I be Monica get what he get against Asian people. That make her turn Bruce to like that. Because I don't they see this matter in another dimension. I been because of say Monica no say Ambrose Naisha or see no na why bon log on video. Because my man they tell me something to say. If he really be said the way she not like some people, the thing she they do he reach her house. Because if you see her Ambrose is not the okay. It's not looking good at all. I beat Monica with Ambrose resist. Ambrose will make Monica na deke roba. automatically eri mu na Bruce. Eva eri le na Bruce. Eri buna Bruce ozi. There is say shall make good. Nana this year. If not, it was not Binima be Bruce. Oh, ya gege fi Monica ye vani. Not be lie they tell na so. If una look Ambrose where, una know say Ambrose they go through domestic violence for Monica hand. Not be only man they do woman domestic violence. We may see they do men domestic violence, and Ambrose is number one example now where we they see. Ambrose don't go marry woman we not like it tribe. Now that woman is dealing with Ambrose mentally, spiritually, physically, and otherwise. Ambrose is going, in short, they pass through bullying in her house. Monica I have not finished it. Because before woman we married to Esan go come say, Esan people not good. You know say, the one where she gave for us, or Gogoni wane, or Dumoni wane. Kai! Ambrose, what a pity. Man wejo. Monica malaki viesan. O malaki viesan. You go marry woman we not like your tribe. A resist, Monica. Monica is a resist. All this thing will take pass all present about this so Joshua to Joshua. Now because she be resist. All this presenter, même Monica can't list one way can't find her trouble. If it did. For all this presenter now where they cost Monica from A to Z. Which one can look for Monica? Even her ex-bestie. Now that one can't look for Monica. No. Monica suddenly the saga that one because she get platform. The time when that one for they build her whole platform, she go they support Monica, they build Monica platform. Monica will be pass her. Monica begin to start to oppress that one. Wait till that one not talk. Monica go say talk. Una forget say when Monica new start to the saga her ex-friend. Una no know lie where Monica put for that ex-friend head. Where see the UK. May I tell you when she called the saga down and say because of say that one can't talk say the hotel not be her own. That shine your shine not be her hotel. People, the one Monica called they take the tea, call they bully that one children. Now so that they fight for school. Now so that they pursue them for school. Now so the children they do this one. Now so that they break people head. Now so they know they enter club. People call them Monica say, Monica, may you calm down. Now only this one where the woman your talk so say no be you get the hotel. Now everybody they prepare you like this. I be another thing. They Monica want talk. He said the woman go lie for her head. Say the woman go they lie for her head to somebody. Say everything where tell that person. Say the person tell her. He say audio. They go come play the audio. Till today we not see that audio. Say that one go lie for her head. I think that it can't get to do with some people. Then that woman where they say no they come and see it not be Naomi. Get one where they analyze where. Where not they show face. Blessing and that one. The thing can't, you know, she can't use, Monica can't use the thing. Tell all the people where they with her ex-friend. Wait till her ex-friend not talk about them. You go say his ex-friend can't talk. He said, now so he bring this one matter to can't tell me. Now so he they carry my matter, go they tell all those ones. People can't read to say, if that one they do that kind of thing, no good. That friend go they gossip the life or go they gossip her friend, not good. You know, he said the audio they with until today will not see audio. Now you call the cry that time they use that one till they sing, say that one they spoil ahead, follow everywhere. The same titles will be once they use for Lady B so. He still doing for Lady Precious May go no. She is still doing for Lady Precious May go. When they drag Lady Precious May, they go like a pass my neighbor generator. People were like, what did she do you? You rest for Lady Precious May. He say it too, they lie yo. He got they talk my matter. They got they gossip my matter. Now my matter, they got they gossip. Person where he got tell my matter. The person come and tell me, I will come play the audio today. We not see the audio. We not see the audio. If you go back to a few days ago, where she and Lady Beatrice Ogbai can just start, she bring that titles again. You too, they lie. And the day where they lie, you're going to carry my matter. You're going to tell people my matter. My matter where they tell people. Now everybody they talk your matter where we don't talk finish on social media. Wait till remain again where people won't go they talk for his ass. Now strategy be that. So you go confess say as if they saga all those ones they lie for their head. You go come they feel say oh maybe those ones still go lie for her head for back. Whereas now lie. Nobody talk about her. Nobody gossip her. As me even there, so me not fit to say person they gossip me. I not fit even to say person they gossip me. Talk less of Monica. Go say that they gossip her. Ask me what they want gossip for body. You be fake life, all of us know for this media. She's full of life. Yes, so. Yes, so. Now, strategy be that. If you don't dare close to her, she wants saga you. Now, so she go do. You go say you go to talk a matter, give somebody else. The thing they can't tell her. You go say, now make her the vest, but that's not lie. You know gossip her. If you call the talk, say, you not talk about it, nobody go hear you again. No. Now they get me so. See she with Lady Beatrice Ogbaika now. When not reach 2 cents. She don't already pull her inside. She where they pursue for party. She called the last say nah Beatrice Ogbaika now they pursue for party. She must say people they gossip her, but now she they gossip past. Yes. Ask me what is their body where person they gossip, by the way. Woro egbe na gossip. That's a strategy now.